Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Nice, and in this video I am definitely bringing you something nice. So today's video we are coming to do a memory wire bracelet. A memory wire bracelet is simply a bracelet made of wire that you can easily wrap around your wrist. And this is an easy to do bracelet, very easy, and you can do this with any bead of your choice. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into the tutorial. So to do this, we will need some beads, and I am using the bicon beads and seed beads. So I'll be mixing the bicon beads with the seed bead, and I also have my memory wire, and I have my cutter and my plier. So this is how the memory wire looks like. Yep, you can get this in the shops, the bead shops. You say you want a memory wire and you get this. And then these are the bicon beads. I'm using a size 3, and remember I said you can use any bead of your choice, any size. I'll be doing other ones for you to see, so it doesn't really matter the size. What matters is how creative you are with it. So this is the cutter for cutting the wire beads, and I'll be using the plier to secure the edges for the bracelets. So I go ahead to cut a reasonable size of the wire beads. I want this to be in a 3-row, so I'm going to create a 3-row bracelet. So I count and then I cut at exactly 3 how I want it to be. I then go ahead to pick my nose plier, and then I curve, or let me say I coil the edge of one side, and this is how it should look like. So this will help secure the beads at the end. And mind you, the memory wire is very strong. It's very firm, so it doesn't easily break, or if you should bend or coil it or turn it to any style that you want, it doesn't easily unfold or undo itself. It's very firm. So after this is done, I go ahead with the other edge, then I begin to pick my beads. So basically this is what I'm going to do throughout until I get to the very end of the memory wire. So this is just it. It's very easy. You just pick, you pick this and you pick that. Depends on how you want to arrange your beads, the style, the pattern, like however you want it. This is just how you go about it. Yep. So that's what I'm going to do till I get to the end of the video. Just stay tuned, watch to the end, and you see how I bend the other edge as well. If you've watched this video till this minute, it means you love what I'm doing, and so please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please do me the favor to click on the subscription button. And to my returning viewers, I say thank you so much for all of you that have subscribed and still keep watching my videos and have been with me through my YouTube journey till now. I want to say a big thank you. You are much appreciated, and God bless you wherever you are. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave them in the comments section below and I will reply you. And almost done. So we are at the end of the bracelet. So after picking the remaining beads to fill to the edge, I go ahead again to pick my long nose plier and I bend the end or the edge or the last bit of the wire to secure my bracelets. And our bracelet is ready. So guys, this is how the memory wire bracelet looks like. And remember I said you can use any bead of your choice. I will come back again with another video with different beads and maybe add some charms or accessories to make it even more beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Until then, I do have other videos that you can go ahead and watch and learn something from it. Stay safe, be good, and bye for now.